And investment into the health of so many children tonight. We're getting a look inside a South Florida hospital that is getting a major upgrade. A more than $166 million renovation includes twice as much space and the latest technology. CBS 4's Jacqueline Quinn reports on how it hopes to save even more lives.
DiMaggio's Children's Hospital now has 4 new floors on top of the 4 they already have, but that's not it from this funding. They're getting the latest in surgery and imaging equipment to help some of the youngest patients in their greatest time of need.
He's been doing pretty good, handling everything pretty well, and he's excited. The angels are making his heart. He's just waiting for them to be done with it.
Brittany Shear's son is waiting for a heart transplant. They could be waiting for days or weeks, but that wait means he could be one of the first to have surgery in the new section of the hospital.
This is a new hybrid room that allows us, for the first time ever, to be able to perform both surgical and catheterization procedures in the same setting in the same patient, without having to move the patient.
Dr. Thomas Forbes tells us without this kind of advancement, heart patients would have to go from one operation room to another.
It allows us three-dimensional evaluation of the structures that we're interested in to give us the best opportunity to get the repair we want.
Another addition is an Imri Machine. This here is one of the pieces of new equipment. That alone is $8 million. It's attached to the operating room over here. And together, this is going to give a neurosurgeon a very detailed look at a patient's brain, really helping them during surgery.
It's life-changing in terms of quality of care and patient outcomes.
There will also be 26 new pediatric ICU rooms, as well as 20 intermediate care beds, and new areas for rehab and play. The hospital will grow from 180,000 square feet to about 400,000 of space.
The need is obviously here.
A third of the nearly $170 million price tag will come from community donations, because the hospital's foundation president says many wanted to help children like Gabe.
He's excited to be a normal kid. He's ready for it. He's not scared. He's actually being pretty good.
Now, the new section of the hospital should be ready and operational by November 8th. In Hollywood, I'm Jacqueline Quinn, CBS 4 News.